Because we just got the screenshot of the code. We are going there. So one page can have so many APIs. So on the my event means you can see all the event. If you create one, then it will be different API. If you delete one, maybe different API. If you update, maybe different API. Did I answer your question?
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Yeah, when you see, okay, what I have done is get. Good. Things are getting natural, right? So it means the many APIs on this one page, there can be many APIs. Maybe one, maybe multiple. And each of the API does something. So this one is just reading all the events. If I want to create, it will be post. If I want to delete a calendar, it will be delete. If I want to update, it will be put. Right? It makes sense now? Good. Any other question? Tasnim, go ahead. You raise your hand.
Yeah. So when you say the dependencies have to be same for the developers and during the deployment,
Yes.
doesn't we get the codes from the server? We just deploy it. Do we have to add the dependencies, or are they different? Like we have to do it separately?
$1 million question. Yeah. So, oh no, you don't get anything. You get only the GitHub repo. You get nothing. Your life is straight from the Git. So basically, you get only the GitHub repo. And again, I'm teaching you the right approach. All us follow the approach. That's good. I know many people, they do not actually. I did deploy so many package in the Node.js based application. I don't need to talk to the developer. I know all the shit myself. Yeah. So then what do? And then you started deploying, means you take the code, you install the Node.js, you install the package.json and the package and everything, your code is not running. And now you are suddenly saying, oh, why the code is not running? You will say, I don't know why your code is not running. I don't know. Let's give me this. Because in the first place, you actually missed the review meeting. Instead of you should go read the code, and then you ask those questions, which Node.js version, which package.js version, and do I have to use this? And he will say, okay, let me deploy it, and I will review with you. 5 lines of communication save your life, but you're messing the shit all day, things is not working, and you're telling him, why is not working? Oh, he's not communicating. Well, you missed the step. So Tasnim, no, basically, you get the code on the GitHub, and then remaining all you have to do. Your environment setup, your cloud server setup, and you give the cloud server name, and install the Node.js, or install the Python, install all the app, all it's like the one line of command, sudo apt update. But all this configuration, you always work with the developer. That's your life will be much easier, because the same thing is running on their computer, right? It's only you are not able to do this. Any other question, Tasnim?
No, that'll be all. Thank you so much.
And you guys, in the whole process, you see how strongly teamwork is important. And if you are not a good human being, means the good team player, you are dead there. You are dead in the team. You are dead. So you see, even though we are strictly working in a very competitive environment, but at the end of the day, it's a teamwork. You have to be nice. Even I know that this is the caused by developer. Still, you do not approach some way that he gets defensive. Because as long as you are producing something, show the evidence, right? And he will be fixing it. But if you go with the approach of something, those are not good. That's the reason. Good communication, good teamwork, building the relationship. This is actually the core to become successful and do very good job in a software development team. Any of this is missing, your technical things will not work. You will be a stranger in the team and nobody will like you. Even though you are staying, but everybody will just get the work done, get the hell out. Stay away from this guy. Make sense? So do not be like this.